My name is Gustavo Romero, and today we're gonna make salsa macha. This is one of my favorite salsas. You can eat it with pretty much everything. It's an oil base. It's more like a chili crisp, and it's a mixture of chilies and nuts that really combines really well with other foods. My favorite way to eat it is with some guacamole or in the morning, breakfast, eggs. Simple to do, but it takes a little bit of time. We're gonna use first the dried chilies, pasilla mixé and morita chile. These are my favorite chilies to use. They both have a natural smoke flavor. We're gonna use garlic, peanuts, sesame seeds, and pepitas. We also gonna add a little bit of vinegar for acidity, some piloncillo, and grapeseed oil. We like to use grapeseed oil because it has a higher smoking point, so your salsa is not gonna taste burnt as you frying your chilies. All right, we're gonna start by toasting our nuts and seeds. We want the comal kind of like a medium to low heat. We just wanna toast the seeds and the nuts, but we don't wanna burn them. We're gonna start with the peanuts. We're gonna give those peanuts nice and toasted, and then we're gonna add our pepitas or pumpkin seeds. These ones take a little longer to toast. And then finally, we're gonna add the sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are smaller, so they toast a lot faster. We're gonna toast them for about 5 minutes. You can see the color start changing. You're gonna see a little bit of char on the peanuts and on the sesame seeds. You start to see this light brown color. That's kind of what you want. When we have them all toasted, we're gonna remove it. We're gonna set it aside, and then trying to let them cool down a little. So as we crush them in the molcajete, they don't become paste. In the meantime, we're gonna fry our chilies and garlic. We're gonna add our oil. You wanna do this at a medium heat. So this is what we want. We want the chilies to puff. You can see it's almost like they're inflated. And then for the garlic, we want this like nice golden brown color, but we also want them to be a little soft in the inside and kind of crunchy in the outside. As we get the desired texture on these chilies and garlic, we're gonna start moving them into our molcajete. We're gonna allow them lightly to cool down. What's gonna happen is when the air touches them, they're gonna start getting crunchier and a little stiff, and it's gonna make it easier for us to just kind of crush them instead of mashing. You can see the change of color on the dried chilies. They go from like red to a dark brown. That's exactly what you want, without letting them get black. Don't burn your chilies. All right, when you finish taking out all the chilies, we're gonna save the oil. The oil is very important because we're gonna pour it back into the mixture when we're done. All right, so we're gonna start with our mashing. We're gonna add our nuts and our seeds, and then we're gonna continue to mash. And as we're mashing, this is gonna help us also get a better mash into our dried chilies. After we have a good mash and they have incorporated, we're gonna start seasoning. So we're gonna add some piloncillo, salt, and a little bit of apple cider vinegar. We add the vinegar because we like a little bit of acidity for balance. At this point, we can just stir. We're not gonna mash anymore. We have the consistency that we want. We have some big chunks of chilies, but for the most part, it's all broken. And then finally, we're gonna add our oil back. The texture should be chunky. You wanna have some of the big chunks of chili, not too big, but you wanna have the good size to balance the nuttiness and the oil. Smoky, nutty, a little bit of sweetness, a little bit of spice. Super delicious.